I will tell you how I was scammed on my first day in Bangkok. That was a very good lesson. Watch my videos before visiting so that you're aware of how it works. I was approached by a taxi driver promising to bring me to a ferry hotel for just 50 baht, a very good price, showing me this map of the river, showing the itinerary, saying they would stop at the main attractions so that I could see them and take pictures and have an easy and fruitful visit of Bangkok. I like the idea of being able to visit main places by boat. This would have made life much easier rather than having to find places by myself, so I accepted. The taxi driver brought me to a pier at the end of this alley and left. At this point, I thought I was in an isolated place and thought I only had to accept the river cruise to the price of 800 baht. This is the price for an official 2 hours tour, which includes an English speaking guide to explain what you're seeing. This is the itinerary of my tour. It took 15 minutes and was 11 kilometers long. No guide explaining. They brought us along interesting places, new houses, very old houses, bars with tourists feeding the fish. Along the way, they told us that there was no floating market on Friday, so we skipped that and just saw shops where we wouldn't stop. We could see the smiling Buddha, and for a moment we thought they would stop for us to take pictures. A passenger asked to stop, but it didn't happen. At the end of the cruise, I decided to get out at Wat Arun Pier and visit the beautiful temple. Remember to watch the video. The river crossing to get back to the other bank is available from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and will cost you just 10 bucks, approximately 30 cents. So yes, I was scammed. They will stop you in the street, suggesting interesting activities. Their approach is kind. There's a sort of honesty in their scams. If you don't agree, they will leave you alone. No danger of theft. I never felt in danger, so don't feel worried about going to Bangkok. Just be aware that it's better to rely on official tours and don't trust people stopping in the street to offer services. I was surprised to see how they leave the money inside. This lady has a tray. Customers can leave their money there to pay for tea. She doesn't even count it, and she's not worried that it may get stolen. So don't miss the opportunity to visit Bangkok and to enjoy a river cruise. I enjoyed mine. It showed a fascinating part of the town that you can't see walking in the streets. I also had a good laugh with other tourists that were on the same scam. But before going, remember to like my video and subscribe to the channel.